I need some light.
I'm now going to declare the results.
Come and help me with light. Thank you. The inspector of schools tomorrow was trying to say that the fourth position, the fifth, be declared by the regional chair, MTG. That is handing over of the trophies. Okay, I will declare all of them.
I am going to start from the first one from down. The first one from down.
The number 7 and the 2 sevens are the ones that are making it 8. So that there's a tie of the 7. Okay, have you seen? Yeah? So that's a tie. We stop on that because there's the tie of 7. Okay. Yeah. So those two. This is 7, eh? This is 7. This one and this one. Okay. Yes.
Very good. Number 12. Number 12 got 1,028 marks. The school is Ananda Central. Number 11. Number 11 got 1,046 marks. And the school is Achia. Number 10. Number 10 got 1,069 marks. And the school is Oduo Primary School. Number 9. Number 9 got 1,086 marks. And the school is Pankoro Primary School. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. We are sitting number 8 because there is a tie. So we have two schools that are in number 7. Okay? So we are going to number 7. Number 7 is got 1,112 marks. That is Anana Primary School. And Kalon Primary School. Number 6. Number 6 got 1,000 116 marks. That is none other than Jen Primary School. Number 5 got 1,149 marks. That is Olia Primary School. Number 3. Number 4 got 1,152 marks. That is Wudu Primary. Number 3, 1,159 marks, and that is child care. Number 2 got 1,161 marks. That is Kids. And finally, our champion in this NPB 2025 scored 1,179 marks, and that is none other than
Thank you.